but because of my students also, I become one of the best homeroom teacher in the school. And to my students, I know you know already that I'm leaving. I will miss you. And I cannot promise, but I will try to come next year for your graduation. And I hope you will be here next school year. Thank you very much for everything. And before I will go, I would like to hear from you the password. Okay? Can you tell it? Can you say it again? One more. 1, 2, 3. I cannot hear you. Can you also help them? 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, and you're always good.
Thank you, Teacher Simon, for those words, and thank you and congratulations to our Year 8 Ruby students for your awards. Once again, Teacher Tess and Teacher Anna, as we move on